In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a JSON file in Elementor. This process is incredibly useful if you're looking to transfer designs, settings, and various elements from one website to another in a seamless manner. By doing this, you can save a lot of time and maintain consistency across your web projects. So, let's dive straight into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Elementor menu on your WordPress dashboard. Here, look for the option labeled Tools and click on it. This is where you'll find a variety of utilities that Elementor provides to enhance your design process, including the feature we need today. Within the Tools section, you'll see an option called Import-Export Kit. This is what enables you to move everything over with ease. By clicking on Import-Export Kit, you're initiating your journey to a more streamlined workflow. Next, it's time to click on Import a Kit. This button is crucial because it allows you to bring in external files that contain your pre-designed elements. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be prompted to upload a file. Now, ensure you have your .zip file ready, as this format is what Elementor requires for importation. Simply select the zip file from your computer and upload it. It's as easy as drag and drop, or using the file selector from your browser. Now that you've uploaded the zip file, Elementor will automatically get to work. It begins by analyzing the file you provided, checking it for all the included elements and settings. This is where the magic happens. Elementor will present you with a variety of options to customize what you want to import. You'll notice several choices appear. These typically include site settings, individual pages or templates, theme styles, and even pop-ups, headers, or other thematic elements. Take a moment here to decide what you need. Maybe you want the entire kit, or perhaps you're interested in only certain components. Whatever your decision, simply select the options that best fit your needs. For instance, if you're only interested in importing specific templates or pages, you can tick those boxes and proceed. Keep in mind that this flexibility allows you to maintain control over what parts of the kit integrate into your existing site without disrupting your current setup. Finally, once you've made your selections, capture the essence of your decision-making in the process by clicking Next. This instructs Elementor to go ahead and process your selected choices. The platform will take over from there, importing your specified elements swiftly and accurately, replicating the settings to match the original kit. And there you have it. You've successfully imported a JSON file into Elementor, unlocking more possibilities for your web design project. With this newfound skill, you can greatly enhance the efficiency of your workflow, ensuring that your designs are both consistent and comprehensive, no matter how many sites you handle. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough helps power up your Elementor experience.